Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. We're going to do a problem in calculus regarding integration by parts. Okay, I'm going to do a series of these because that's what I'm working on right now, or cleaning it up, whatever. Answering more problems for people. This is was given by a student for Yahoo. Integrate y equals x times e to the 2x. How do I do this? Does e stay the same? I mean, these are common questions. How are you going to integrate that, okay? Well, because it's e to the x, you know that you have to learn something in calculus. You're going to say that's integration by parts. Anytime that's called a transcendental function, and so you have to integrate that with integration by parts, So I'm going to show you how to do that. Index 8 to get to my menu. I'm already at integrate by parts. I'll pull it up here so you can see it. Integrate by parts. Okay, so that's what you choose. And we're going to press enter. And we're going to choose e to the x here. Okay, you're going to scroll to that. I'm going to scroll up to that. You can press the number in front of it if you want. I mean, that's quicker. I'll do that. I'm going to press number 2. We're going to integrate some form of e to the x. There's e to the x, okay? Now I've already entered the problem here for quickness, and so the simulator doesn't screw up on me, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to press number 2 here and go back. For you to do it, you'd press alpha first before you enter anything in here. Alpha, you'd go x and then times, and then this yellow button here, and then the x, which is the e portion of it, e to the 2 times x, and close off the parentheses on the right, and here's what you'd have right here, okay? And we're going to say it's 1, okay. So here's what we do. Here's the problem. We go u equals x, which is out here. Du is equal to the derivative of that, which is 1 dx, okay? And then dv is e to the 2x, and we're trying to get the v answer, which is the integral of the dv with respect to x, which turns out to be e to the 2x divided by 2, okay? Write this on your paper just exactly like this, okay? The formula for that, for integration by parts, is uv minus the integral of v du. And so we're going to add what we just found here. U is x, okay, times v, which is e to the 2x divided by 2, minus the integral of e to the 2x divided by 2 times the derivative of that, which is du, which is 1 dx, okay? And then we clean it up. I multiply it together, clean up this, and here's what we end up with there, okay? So now we're going to do this integral here, and when we do the integral, it becomes minus e to the 2x divided by 4 plus c. Anytime you do an integration, it's called plus c unless it's a definite integral where you have a certain range to it. And so then we have to distribute the minus sign here, which I do, so it's plus a minus e to the 2x divided by 4. Now the trick here, factor out e to the 2x. If we factor out e to the 2x, we get 2x minus 1 times e to the 2x divided by 4 plus c, which is the answer. Pretty neat, huh? Go to my site, buy my programs, and enjoy passing calculus. They're only 40 bucks, well worth the money. You'll have it for the rest of your life in your calculator. You can do calculus like I can for the rest of your life, where you couldn't, no matter how many books you have in your bookshelf, or notes from your professor. Remember, these are all notes from me. In other words, once I do a problem and figure out how the step-by-steps go, these are my notes. This is my notes. And so you can bring this into any test and you're going to pass that test with calculus, okay? So think about that. No big deal. Hey, go to my site, buy my program, and have a pass calculus. Have a good one.